Yo, what's up, everybody? What's good, everybody? I'm about to show what I make for show what I eat usually for breakfast first thing in the morning. You know what I usually eat is drink a lot of water, drink tea, eat fruits. That's the first thing you want to do in the morning. So I'm gonna show you some cool fruits that I got. Y'all know what this is? Oh, I got the screen a little crooked. Y'all know what this is right here? This fruit right here? This fruit is a super cleanser, and it's like super good. If you never had this, would probably be your next favorite fruit. Swear to God. This is yellow dragon fruit. Fire right here. This is probably gonna be your next favorite fruit if you never had it. I swear to God. This right here, if you eat at least like one of these, two of these, it's cleansing you out hella good, crazily. Even if you don't take the colon cleanser, but you take the colon cleanser and you eat this, that's gonna be a nice cleanse. You know why? Because you see these seeds in here. Seeds are the essence of life. So that's where you know when you consume seeds, that's why you don't want to be eating no foods without seeds. You know, bad stuff, bad vibes. And what I'm going to be drinking with that is my Vitalization tonic. I added 2 ounces in here, added the rest water, and added some sea moss. Mixed that up. Add a little bit of raw honey. Delicious, right? So let me show you what I have right here. So I got a whole bowl. I got one dragon fruit and some blueberries, and I'm gonna have that for the breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Really good stuff right here. I have a whole, and if you want to eat more, if you want to eat 2-3 of these and more blueberries, like a lot for breakfast until you're full, do that, because that's going to be what your body needs, because it's going to help to flush out any toxins that you had the day before. You're going to have some water too. Just consider water too. You want to have at least, this is what the sea moss comes in, right? So you can save these after. Don't throw it away. You can put your water in it, put your tea in it. But what's good about it, it's going to help you to measure it, because it's 32 ounces. So if you have 2 of these, that's half a gallon. If you have 4, that's a gallon. So you're already doing you already done your work. So if you have 1 tea like this, the rest water, and then 3 waters, that's pretty easy throughout the day. So I already had like half a cup, half of this of water. I had a whole thing of the Vitalization tonic. It's only a little bit of more water later on, and you're going to get thirsty. And the fruits have a lot of water in it too, so we have to consume more than a gallon of water too. And especially when you're cleansing, it's gonna be pulling out water and stuff like that, because that's what holds it, right? So it's gonna pull water out your body. So you have to make sure that you're replacing that water. If not, then that's when the everything starts to get like dehydrated, dry, and stuff like that. I can't tell which one is better. Mango or this or soursop. Those are like top fruits right there from in my lane, Sometimes the fruit is so good, I won't even make a smoothie with it. I'll have the sea moss straight up in a tea, and I'll have my fruits. So it's like I did a smoothie, but way easier. Just throw some boom boom boom, Mango is king, but did you have that dragon fruit? Mango is, if mango is king, this is queen. Just saying it like that. This is too good right here. And this is why you want to start your breakfast off like this, or the first foods that you eat. And this over here is 2:00, like I'm just eating right now. I drank water earlier, but I got up a little later than usual because I went to sleep a little bit too late. Like I was like off and stuff. I was like sleeping throughout the day, so then when it came time to sleep at night, I was like already like not tired. So like I hate when that happens, So I woke up a little bit. I woke up at 10. straight to work. That's when the shift starts, though. So, you know, I went straight to work. You know, my guys, they come in. Our help comes in. Everybody starts going in, getting it in at 10. For real, for real. So I woke up to straight to work. You feel me? Like, so I didn't get a chance to. I mean, even if I wasn't, I wouldn't like be sitting down and making a big meal. Usually, like I don't always do the porridge at first thing in the morning. Usually I'll just have some water, some tea, some fruits in the morning because for me it's quicker, and just because I'm not that hungry. Because if you eat at the nighttime, you're still gonna have energy from that food the next day, giving you energy. You know, so you don't have to eat right away. Eat some blueberry. That is not weird. Who eats blueberries with a spoon? Blueberries too, though. Very high in antioxidants. So especially around this time, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's warm outside, it's about. I feel it should be getting cold. We're supposedly going into. We're in fall. We're supposedly getting into the peak of it, going into winter soon, in about like a little over a month. You want to stock up on your colon cleanse and everything like that. You can use coupon code. I don't know if you guys can see that. I appreciate you, family. You can use the coupon code. Giving to get $30 off when you invest $120. So it's gonna allow you to get four like you have a good month's supply because we're about to go into the holiday season. We're all gonna be eating good, myself included. I'm not playing. I don't care if I'm vegan. No, I'm not. I'm eating very good. You feel me? Be on the lookout for that Thanksgiving that Thanksgiving recipe. I'm gonna be putting out some Thanksgiving recipes, all vegan, all alkaline. So be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be fire. I'm gonna have my mom help me, have my sister help me, cause you know I can cook, but once you add minds and ideas together, it's gonna be lit. You know. So you eat a lot of fruit in the morning, you're not gonna even be hungry like that. I'm not hungry. But I eat a lot of food, not no little piece of that, you know what I'm saying? Eat a lot of it. So make sure you stock up, because if you're gonna, unless you're gonna be like, oh, I'm not gonna eat swell. Don't lie to yourself. You're gonna eat swell for at least how long? At least like 6 weeks of eating swell. Like, you got Thanksgiving, that's gonna last till like December. Boom. You come back, you go back to work, go back to school or whatever like that. They got what they got in the beginning of December. They got the Christmas parties every week leading up into it. They got the Friendsgiving. They got all of this. Then there's leftovers from the Christmas. That's gonna lead you to the New Year. And by the time you know it, it's about to be New Year. It's about to be 2021. You already holding on to quarantine weight, right? Now you finna add some holiday weight on top of that. You about to look at 2020 like, damn, how the hell did that happen? How did I gain 50 pounds over a year? You feel me? Certain stressful points, Don't overspend too on the holidays too. A lot of that shit be like, you don't have to spend that much too on the holiday season too. That's bad work. That's bad work. That's gonna set you up. It's gonna set you up. It's gonna set you up for failure because we spending money that came from Trump. Trump's not in office no more. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna stop. Like, I don't care who's in office. At the end of the day, they're gonna do what they're gonna do. But a lot of things that you might have came up last year, which is this year, 2020, I'm already in 2021. Like, it's not gonna be there. There's not always, anytime an opportunity comes and opens up, it's not gonna be there, the next time. So you gotta make sure that you take advantage of the opportunities that you have in front of your face, like your health, your wealth. So I'm gonna leave that for now. So I'm gonna keep the video short so I can upload this to YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, look in the description below for a coupon code for a free bottle, as well as a coupon code to get $30 off of your next purchase. That's gonna be below in the description, or if you're watching right now on IG Live, make sure you capture that coupon code, screenshot, send that to all your friends. The code giving is only going to be up for this week. It ends next Sunday, so make sure you tap in before it ends. It's for that we can stock up for the holidays. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you go to our YouTube, you subscribe. It's right here, DrMissions, right? You can not. I mean, even though it's backwards, just figure out the letters, right? Go to the YouTube, subscribe, hit the notifications. That's where I'm going to be dropping all the recipes, all the Thanksgiving recipes. So switch it up. Even if you eat turkey and all of that, you can switch it up. I'm going to have a lot of different options that you can bring to the table, because those are the times when it becomes really hard for people to go vegan around the holiday season, around barbecues, around birthdays and everything like that, around big social gatherings, because it's hard when you're around other people to socialize in a way that separates you, separates you. So if you have the tools, you're good, because you can put them on and put other people on, and so now it's like you're putting people on. So make sure you subscribe, you like, follow, share this with your people. Peace.